To Ravena, shot clock down to 4. Ravena for 3. Yes, sir.
Kiefer Ravena, 3!
Turning garbage into gold that time. Itong opensa ng Ateneo, really the offense going nowhere. And at the last minute, starting itong si Alejandro, the last few games. Nung first round, hindi niya ini-start yan.
And back-to-back three-point shots for Kiefer Ravena.
And I don't mind that. Kiefer is just averaging close to less than or maybe 35%. And you know, when you guard
one-on-one plays that the defense can take advantage of.
well, Ateneo, as we see, a nice three, his third straight in the ball game. Maganda ang gising ngayon ni Davino. I'm talking about yung report ni Laura. Turnovers after the injury na nangyari itong kay Jerry Pingoy. Hindi mo makita sa stats yung impact niya. As we see, another three by Davino, 4 straight. Coach Eric forced to call a timeout.
Dancing partner whenever these two teams meet.
Si Kiefer na mismo nagsabi niyan. Every time Javelona is checking him, and he is right on cue saying, "What the heck are you saying, Miko and Christian? It's my 5th triple. I don't care if there's a hand in shot in the corner."
As we reach the Avida halfway point of the quarter, be inspired to win big with Avida's halfway point of the quarter. And Kiefer Ravena is hotter than the sun. 6 out of 6 from Rainbow Country to start the game.
Wow. Just wow.